So today I received a squishy package from an Instagram seller. This is the note she gave me. Thank you for purchasing from Squishy Spoof. And I purchased a lot. I purchased like 6 or 7 items. I'm not really sure because it took like 2 months to get here. And I purchased all of them in brand new condition. So let's get started. So this is the package. It's quite large. And I'm just gonna pull things out. So the first thing I got is this Cafe D'N, and it's opened, which is weird. I got this Cafe D'N, bread roll. This is the tag, the ball chain, and it is super defected. I did purchase the croissant, but in brand new condition, so I'm not sure if this is it. This is so wrinkled. It has a hole, and I don't understand why it has a hole because it's resealable packaging. So yeah, I'm super disappointed. It's super defected. I hope this is an extra because this is super defected and I paid like $10 for this one. Oh yeah, I got this first. The next thing I got is the Sammy Halloween cream puff. This is it, but the packaging is so wrinkled, and I think there's tapes. Yep, there's tape here on the edges, and there's tape here. There's tape all over the packaging, which is weird. And I think this is defect. Yep, defects. A lot of defects. This is the tag though. So squishy. The next thing I got is this Fat Cat cracker. This is so cool. This is my first crackling squishy. There's some defects, I think. Yes, cracks, but it's all minor defects, so I'm just go with that. Just the back. Oh, the packaging is open. That's super weird. This is the packaging. It's still squishy. Not very squishy. This is so cute. And there's the defects. It's all minor, so I'm cool with that. It's so satisfying. So I got that one. The next thing I got is this Kebrew mangosteen. And this is in great packaging, actually. I think it was open, so that's fine. Super squishy. Oh my gosh. It's so defective. What? I need to open this one. And I'm sorry about my nails. Oh my gosh. What? This is split in half. Why would she sell this to me? This is so sketchy. I think everything in here is not brand new in packaging. I think these are all old squishies. This is so squishy. But it is super defected, so might as well defect it. Got that. It's the packaging again. The next thing I got is, ooh, the already croissant. It's the packaging. Packaging is open, which is, I mean, fine. Because I'm gonna take it out as well, so this is super soft and defected again. A lot of defects. I think these are manufacturing, but the ones that has tears are squishy defects. Got that one. And I think I only have one left. I got this chicken leg bread. It's the packaging. It is also open. This is, oops, super defected. Sorry about the lighting change. Super defected. What? Oh my god, you could put your fingers in there. Why did I buy from this sketchy seller? It is super squishy. It is super squishy. I think I'm gonna use all of these for stress relieving squishies because they're all defected squishies, and might as well just defect them. Yeah. Let me see if I have anything left. Nope, that's it. No extras. At she gave me a note, which is super nice. That's everything I got. Thank you, Squishy Spoof, for sending me my defected squishies, but I'm so stressed out because I used my own money to buy this and they're all crappy squishies. I like all of them, but they're so defected. What? I think I'm gonna cry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I see you in my next video, hopefully a better one. And bye. This is a spoof, 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 spoof.